Dear students, welcome to our class on Agriculture Meteorology B.Sc 31. The first bit of today's class is the vertical movement of air in the atmosphere causes significant weather changes in terms of dash, cloud formation and rain. That's why troposphere is known as seat of weather phenomena. Now, a thick and extensive portion of the atmosphere with homogeneous temperature and humidity in a horizontal is known as dash air mass. Please note that horizontal motion is more important. It causes more weather changes as compared to vertical motion. Now, a zone of sharp changes in temperature between warm and cold air masses is called dash front, F-R-O-N-T, front. The vertical circulation of the atmosphere, between the tropics and subtropics is called dash Hadley cell. The vertical circulation in the tropical atmosphere is known as Walker circulation. The Walker circulation develops due to difference in sea surface temperatures between east and west of the dash equatorial Pacific. It differs a lot from El Nino Laguna. That's a different story. Now, a pictorial representation of wind direction and speed is called dash wind roses. These are not two terms. Wind roses is one term only. Now, see, ice crystal theory of precipitation was proposed by Bergeron. He is a Swedish scientist. Now, the interval between the onset of effective rains and the commencement of the first dry spell is called dash the wet spell. A rainfall spell of more than 35 millimeters, spread over a period of 7 days with at least 4 rainy days. 4 rainy days means, more than 2.5 mm per day, is known as dash to begin with. It is known as effective rain to begin with. Then after that, 35 mm in 1 week we call it the wet spell. Now, next bit is very important, very interesting. A week during which the weekly rainfall is less than 35 mm with less than 4 rainy days is known as dash. It is known as dry spell. Everything is related to 35 mm. That's all of rainfall in a week. Now, the saying, India's strength lies in its ability to manage monsoons, was quoted by dash Dr. M.Sc Swaminathan. Last 2 bits of today's class. A measure for dryness or water deficiency is known as dash aridity. The last bit, the most widely used system of climatic classification in its various forms is Köppen's classification. He is a Russian scientist. Of course, worked most of the time in Germany, and his classification in different forms is the most. He is also known as the father of climatology, the father of even agroclimatology. Thanking you very much.